Ever thought about DIYing your home? Welcome to Home FAQS. Home FAQS is your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of DIY home improvement. Our AI avatars are here to guide you through every step of the process, from brainstorming ideas to putting the finishing touches on your project. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your space like never before. Getting started with DIY. Where to begin? Feeling a bit daunted by the prospect of DIY? Fear not. We're here to break down the process into manageable steps, starting with identifying your goals and creating a realistic plan of action. With our expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to tackle any project with confidence. Unlocking your creativity. Unleash your creativity. Get ready to tap into your inner artist as we explore the boundless possibilities of DIY home decor and design. From repurposing old furniture to crafting handmade decorations, there's no limit to the ways you can infuse your space with personality and charm. Budget-friendly solutions. DIY on a budget. Curious about how to achieve stunning results without breaking the bank? We'll share insider tips and tricks for maximizing your budget and making savvy purchasing decisions. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish on a shoestring budget. Tools of the trade. Essential tools for DIY success. No DIY project is complete without the right tools at your disposal. From power drills to paintbrushes, we'll walk you through the essential tools every DIY enthusiast should have in their toolkit. Plus, we'll share recommendations for budget-friendly options that won't sacrifice quality. Step-by-step guidance. Step-by-step instructions ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work. We'll provide detailed, step-by-step instructions for a variety of DIY projects, complete with helpful visuals and pro tips to ensure your success. Whether you're tackling a simple repair or embarking on a full-scale renovation, you'll have everything you need to get the job done right. Overcoming challenges. Troubleshooting tips. Encountering obstacles is all part of the DIY journey, but fear not, we're here to help you navigate any challenges that come your way. From dealing with unexpected setbacks to troubleshooting common issues, we'll arm you with the knowledge and expertise to overcome any obstacle with ease. Join the DIY revolution. Ready to embark on your DIY adventure? Subscribe to Home FAQS for free consultations, expert advice, and the latest trends in home improvement. Hit like, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together. Your dream home awaits. Let's make it a reality.